Hello guys, this is a small review and a little demonstration uh, about a rear view TFT monitor and a rear view camera. The rear view TFT monitor is from a company called Pronto. It's a 7-inch TFT monitor. It has a lot of features like FM transmitter. It can play MP3, MP4, MP5. It has got USB connectivity, and also it can take a SD card. Uh, the model number is PRX2US. Uh, this is the Worldtech rear view car camera. Um, it is a night vision camera, and it has got a resolution of 480 TV lines. It has got number of IR LEDs which make it a night vision camera also, and the angle of coverage is 120 degrees. Both the monitor as well as camera work on 12 volt DC. So I'm going to pause the video for a while and I will show you how the camera and the monitor is installed. This is the rear view camera. As you can see, it's installed on the rear bumper of the car, and it has got a number of LEDs which make it a night vision camera also. I think it auto detects the light levels and it turns on the LEDs automatically. The diameter of the hole in which it is installed is 28 mm. With the kit of the camera we get this hole saw. It is nothing but a drill bit, and the diameter of this hole saw is 28 mm. So basically you drill a hole of 28 mm using your drilling machine and the hole saw drill bit into the bumper and install the camera. Now this camera has got a video signal cable as well as a 12 volt power cable. The power is supplied to this camera by connecting the power cable to the reverse light bulb here, and the video cable goes in front and gets attached to the TFT monitor, which will be installed over the existing mirror. So now let's see how the cables are routed from the camera to the front of the car. This is a Tata Indica car, and the power cable of the camera goes underneath the bumper, and from there it gets into this light module from here, and the power cable is then attached to the reverse light bulb. This is done so that whenever you put the car in reverse, the reverse light bulb gets powered, and it in turn powers this camera, which works on 12 volts. Now the video signal cable runs all the way from here underneath there and is routed along here underneath this and goes to the front of the car. So the video cable runs below this, and it's concealed behind here, goes behind here, it's tucked inside, and goes to this TFT monitor. This is a 7-inch TFT monitor. As you can see, it's a beige in color, but you also get a black colored one. You can select the color which is available from your supplier. I have selected beige because it suits the interior of the car. Now this TFT monitor will have a number of cables coming out of it. We have two video cables, AV1 and AV2. The video signal cable that is coming from the camera is connected to AV1, and you can connect any other video devices to AV2. Right now I don't have any other video devices, and so my AV2 cable is not connected anywhere. There's another pair of cables coming out of this TFT monitor. It's audio left and audio right, so you can connect this to any audio device in your car. Again, I'm not using these two cables. This TFT monitor also runs on 12 volts, and so a power cable goes right to a fuse box or a relay box, which is underneath here below the dashboard. I don't know if you can see it, but the power cable of the TFT monitor is connected there. Now then there is another cable. It's a green colored cable, and it runs back to the reverse light bulb, and it's connected to the same point where the power cable of the camera is connected. So now this TFT monitor is receiving 12 volts from 2 points. One is the fuse box or the relay box, and the second is from the reverse light bulb. Now the reason why there are two power supplies is that the TFT monitor is connected to the 12 volt from the relay box or fuse box for other functions. But this wire, the green colored one, which goes to the reverse light bulb, gets 12 volt when you put the car in reverse, and the rear view is automatically displayed on this monitor. For all the other functions like songs and anything that's connected to USB or SD can be displayed even when the car is not in reverse. So it has got two supplies. So this TFT monitor has got a lot of other functions as well. For example, it acts as a FM transmitter. What I've done is that I've set 90 megahertz into this monitor, so whenever I play MP3 songs from this USB stick, it emits those songs over 90 megahertz FM, and my radio, if tuned to 90 megahertz, can catch those songs, and they are played on my car audio. So there are no cables running between the TFT monitor and my music system, but they are transmitted via FM. There are some touch buttons on the right hand side. There's a power button. You can select AV1, AV2, or USB or SD card. Then there is this menu button, and there are other two buttons for selection of the menu. We'll see what all these buttons do in a while, but first let's see the rear view in this monitor. So I have put the key into the ignition, and I am putting the car into reverse. Yeah. Here is the rear view. As you can see, there are some guidelines. Start reversing the car, and if the the object behind, for example the car as seen in the rear view, is in the stop zone, then you can know that you are too close uh, to that car, and then you can stop reversing. These are basically just guidelines. Um, Now if I put the car into neutral or any other gear, then this TFT monitor can be used as a normal mirror. The mirror is a little dark and it has got a little blue tinge to it, but is manageable. You can use it. Now let's go back to the FM transmitter function of this monitor. If I press power on, it's reading the USB stick, and these are the songs that are in the USB stick, MP3 songs. And if I tune my radio to 90 megahertz, then I can play them on my car speakers. So that's how the FM transmitter function of this monitor works. It's pretty good. Now when the songs are playing, I need not keep the monitor on. I may be driving, so I can just power it off and I can use it as a regular mirror. Now when I'm playing the songs and if I put the car in reverse, the songs stop playing and I can see the rear view. If I put it back to neutral or any other gear, the songs start playing. It's pretty nice. It comes with this remote control. Basically you can switch to different tracks, do navigation of the menu, volume, etc. If I press this exit, it will stop playing the songs. And now I will switch it off. So that's the FM transmitter function of this monitor. Now what I can do is I can set the brightness, contrast, color, the aspect ratio. Now right now it's 16:9. I can change it to 4:3, whatever you like. So I've put it on 16:9. That's the 90 megahertz which I have set, and that's what I'm tuning to when I'm playing songs. You can change the language, English or Chinese, and you can also reset the module. So these are the menus, different menus in the monitor. So yeah, that's basically everything. Let's try to reverse the car and see. Alright. Okay, I'll try to reverse the car now using this. Now look, the car behind me is approaching the stop zone, right? And when it comes near the stop zone, I should stop. Now let's get back to the car and see how close I am actually to the car behind me. I'm going to pause the video for a while. Be right back. So this is how close I got the car behind me. It's pretty close. So that's using those guidelines, but you should never use those guidelines for accuracy because they are nothing but guidelines. And if you want accuracy, you can use the ultrasonic sensors, 4 of them, which you can install in your rear bumper, which can give you accurate readings of the distance behind you. So if you use both these systems, the reverse camera as well as the ultrasonic sensors, you will be able to park or reverse your car accurately and safely. So that's all about it really. If you have any questions, you can ask me. I will try to answer them. And thanks for watching. Cheers.